Welcome back to another episode of Between the Racks. Today we're going to be talking about velocity-based training, a little bit on what devices to use and really what can you use them for, why are they beneficial to your training. So right over here, this is called Open Barbell, and actually everyone can make this device. You can visit squatsandsides.com to figure out how. Pretty much you need a 3D printer to be able to solder and to hot glue. There are other devices you can use. You can use GymAware, which is fairly expensive, along with a Tendo unit or push unit. Those range from about $200 to a couple $1,000s. The electronics for this, I bought all the parts. Well, I had some of the parts, but if you buy everything brand new, you can get all the electronics for about $40. And some libraries have free 3D printing hubs. How it works is this is attached to the barbell, and it measures the concentric portion of each rep. So that's all fine and dandy, but what can you use this bad boy for? So I measured the velocity of my reps from about 60 to 95%. So from here, what I'm able to do is I have force as a function of velocity, and I have an equation written by that, and I can use that to predict my 1 rep max. So in order to do that, I need to know how slow can I move the weight? What is my minimum velocity threshold? There are two ways to get that. You can perform a true 1 rep max and figure out how slow you can move that, or you can perform an AMRAP set. In this case, I'm going to perform a set 75%, 85% to failure. I'm going to use the velocity average of my last rep to predict my maximal force. So another application of velocity-based training is to record your velocities at various percentages like I showed you earlier, go through your training cycle. At the end of the training cycle, hit those same percentages at the same weight you did, and if the velocity increased, then you got stronger. You can write an equation for a line that passes through those points, and you can use that to predict another 1 rep max. And I'm actually going to do Mike T's Project Momentum. So after that Project Momentum, I'm going to repeat the same weights I did. I'm going to measure my velocities, print out a same curve, but with a different line this time. I'm going to use that as objective evidence to show that did I actually get stronger or did I not get stronger after his project.